All right, I've made tons of progress this weekend on this Ninja Turtle figure. I figured out a better way to do joints at the legs. This is going to be a knee joint with the knee pad here, and it really allows for a lot more mobility than the joint I used on the elbow, which is kind of useless and floppy and can only go 90 degrees. So I'm gonna actually redo the whole elbow and wrist to emulate what I did here. Put a ball joint on the wrist probably like I did this foot, so that you can get, all kinds of different poses. And then I gotta re-sculpt everything because I've lost all of my detail and wrinkles and stuff. I don't know if I'll go with old man again or not. I think so. Old man Ninja Turtle.